Hello everyone! Today we have a guest in our fashion house. This is Anna, and she's from Germany. Have a look at her skirt. It was made of simple cotton fabric. Anna made the bias bindings herself. The skirt is lined, and there are princess seams on the back. All the darts are accurate. I think that this skirt is amazing. This is the case when a teacher can learn from his or her own students. I'm proud that my subscriber managed to make such an amazing skirt. It was made using my 10 measurement cutting system. Here's the yoke. I've already showed you how to make it. Thanks to the yoke, there are no darts here. Have a look at the pockets. They are also amazing. Notice that this is the gore skirt, and the pockets are made in gauze. I also want you to have a look at the cuffs on the sleeves. This is absolutely incredible. Anne had bought this skirt, and then she decided to make it more interesting. So she cut the sleeves and made such cuffs herself. This is how they look like. It's absolutely amazing. I'm so happy that my subscribers learned to use their imagination. Don't be surprised if you see me wearing a shirt with such cuffs. I love them. The idea is amazing. Anna is shy, and she says that she's forgotten Russian language. It's not true. Some people say that you shouldn't wear items with interesting details together. It's not true. Look at this outfit. Waistband, bias binding, pockets, cuffs, collar. Everything is absolutely amazing. The thing is that you need to feel comfortable. I am very happy that Anna came to visit us today. You should learn from her. You can use some of her ideas, pockets, cuffs, bias binding, or create something yourselves. These are diversionary tactics. I've already told you that I love them. We show you a lot of reviews of the items. It's not that I waste your time. I give you ideas and show you some very useful techniques. Please, be different and beautiful. Use your imagination and don't be afraid of experiments. We're Paukshte Irina and Anna. Subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.